Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Ram's Life channel. How are you today guys? I hope you guys are doing well. And today in this video guys, I am going to talk about the courses that you should do to make your resume stronger in Canada, or the courses that can give you the part-time jobs, and the courses that I have done so far up to now. It's my 5th month in the Canada, Regina, Saskatchewan, and I have done several courses which helped me a lot, and learning is the main thing. I learned a lot of things. So today in this video guys, I am going to talk about all that courses, all that certification, and if you are coming to the Canada, then you should focus on these courses to make your resume stronger, or these courses are also able to give you the part-time jobs in the Canada. So without any further ado friends, let's get started. Okay guys, so first course that I want to talk about is Worker Health and Safety Awareness in 4 Steps. This course is provided by Ministry of Labor's training, basically from Ontario, and I did this course first. Actually this course was the part of my one of the subject in the first semester. But guys, let me tell you one thing is that this course is online and it is available for free. So I think you all should go through this course, and this course is very helpful to make your resume stronger, because in this course you can learn a lot of things. As the course names mention, that Ministry of Labor's training. So yeah, it's a labor's training course. So in this course you are gonna learn a lot of things that in the workplace, what are the employer rights, what are the employees' rights. Even you are a lower level staff, or you are a top management in the workplace, in the organization, what are the rules and regulations that you should follow regarding the safety of every person. So for example, I can say that if you are an employee to one of the organization, and your employer told you to do some task which you feel that you are not comfortable with that, or you are worried about your safety, then you can say no to that task. And this kind of informations you will get from this course. And if something is going wrong in your workplace, in your company, in your organization, and you are a worker over there, or you are any staff member or employee or employer, anything, but if you feel something wrong is going on, then to whom you should contact? There are the Ministry of Labor's office, and for several difficulties or several problems, there are different offices. So this course will give you the knowledge about what to do in such kind of situations. So this course is really important, and if you add the certification of this course to your resume, it will be really it will really help you to get a job, and it will make your resume stronger. So this is the first course that I did, and it is a free of cost. So I suggest you all should do this course. I will provide the link of this course in the description box below. So I hope it will help to you guys. Okay, now second course, let's talk about a second course, that is a laboratory safety training, which includes chemical and labor training, and also WHMIS, that is known as the Workplace Hazardous Material Information System. As I also mentioned about this course in my previous video about a security guard job. So yeah, this course is really important, Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System. So this course is available in the University of Regina. I don't know about the undergraduate students, but for the master students it is available for free. I think for undergraduate students also it should be available for free, because if you are going to use a laboratory, then you must do this course before you enter into the laboratory, in the chemical labs, or in the MH lounge, or many other places where safety is the main concern. So before using those labs, you should do this course. So it is available for free at the University of Regina. I did this course over there, and it was really a good experience. and they provide you the online material. First you have to go through those material. It will tell you about the fire safety and chemical safety, and what are the different hazards related to the different chemicals, and a lot of other things like safety equipments that you should use for particular emergency, or when you are dealing with particular chemicals, then what kind of safety equipments that you should use, gloves, mask, and whatever the coats, and etc etc. So yeah, this course will give you all that information. And one more thing is that there is the training also after this online course. So yeah, you are gonna do all the practical things, like you are gonna see the mask, you are gonna use the gloves, how to remove the gloves, how to use the fire safety, and yeah, everything that you are going to learn practically in this course. And it is free of cost at the University of Regina. So I suggest that you all should do this course, and you should attach the certification of this course with your resume. It will be really good reflection, and it will make your resume stronger, and it will give you a lot of ideas also in case of an emergency. So it is really good. So I suggest that you should go through these courses. I will provide all the details regarding this course in the description box below, guys. So do check the description box of this video. Now, third course that I did is Servitrite Saskatchewan course. Okay, let me tell you one thing is that laboratory safety training that I mentioned, the certification of that training is valid up to 3 years, which is WHMIS, Workplace Hazardous Material Information System. That certification is valid for 3 years, so you should do it at the University of Regina. It will be free, and the certification is valid for 3 years. So after 3 years you have to do it again, or you have to make a re-certification. So yeah, now let's talk about the third course that I did is Servitrite Saskatchewan. The validity of this course is 5 years. Now Servitrite Saskatchewan, why I did this course? Because I am working as a security guard. Now what is this course is all about? Servitrite Saskatchewan course is related to the service, means if you are working as a waiter or bartender or security guard or driver in some cases. So whenever or whatever places you have to deal with the people who are drinking alcohol, or the places where alcohol is served, at those places if you are working, then you must have this certification. If you are a waiter or bartender or whatever staff you are, but if at that place the alcohol is serving, then you must have this certification. So yeah, as a security guard also, in some of the events we have to deal with the people, they are drinking alcohol. So yeah, in case of a security guard also, this course is must, and this certification is must for that job. Same thing with the driver also. In some cases you have to, like you will get a customers, they are drunk, or sometimes like liquor, like bars, and some places the driver will get a call for a drop from the customers who are drunk. So in that cases the drivers also should have Servitrite certification. So this course is also really important, and the cost of this course is around $32. So yeah, it's not so costly. But don't do it as you come over here in the Canada. Just wait, because in some places if you get a job, your employer will provide you this course free of cost, so that you don't have to waste $32. So don't do it course right away. Just wait. If you get it for free, then you should go for that first. Okay. Now the fourth course that is security training, the security license. So for that course, as I mentioned all the things in my previous video regarding the security guard training, you can contact any of that organization, and you can go over there. You can do a course of security training. You have to pay a $350, and then after you will get a security license, and I think you have to renew that license every 1 year. So yeah, you are gonna get a lot of information from this course also, security course also, and it was a really good experience of doing this course. And yeah, one more thing is that if you do a security course training, then the WHMIS, Workplace Hazardous Materials Information System, is also included in that. So you will also get a certification of that course free of cost with this security guard training. So it's a really good thing. So these 4 courses that I have done so far in the 5 months to being in the Canada. But I also want to talk about one more course that I didn't yet done, but I hope I will do it in the future. This course is also really informative, and my brother did this course in the Ontario, and he told me that it was a great experience and he learned a lot of things by doing this course. But the cost of this course, doing this course, is a little bit higher, so I will hopefully do in the future. The name of that course is First Aid CPR Certification. So yeah guys, so you will get all the trainings regarding the first aid and CPR certification. So if you do this course, you will gonna get a lot of information regarding the basic first aid things. So yeah, I'm also really interested to do that course. Maybe hopefully in the future I will do this course. So these 5 courses, I think that are gonna help you to gain a lot of knowledge and give you the idea about how the things works in the Canada. And also, if you attach all this certification in your resume, your resume is gonna be more powerful and it will reflect really good impression. So these all are the courses that I want to talk about with you guys, and I hope you guys get a lot of information from this video. And again, I will provide all the information, all the links regarding these courses in the description box below. So do check the description box of this video, and also follow me on my Instagram. And if you have any question, then contact me on Instagram or join the WhatsApp group that I have made for the future students and immigrants coming to the Regina, Saskatchewan particularly. So I will update all the links in the description box below. So go through that, guys. And that's it for today in this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the Rams Life channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification of my videos regularly. That's it, and bye bye guys. I hope to see you soon.